All right, so I wanted to do a quick video here, just kind of outlining the benefits of why a medical sales career might be great for you. And then, kind of just like the pros in here. We'll stick to all the pros, or what I think are the pros for this video of why it might be a career that you might find yourself wanting to join. So number one here on this list, is the obvious one, the potential for high pay. Now, each situation is going to be different. If you come in, you're someone with absolutely no experience, they're definitely not going to pay you as high as someone that has well-documented sales experience right off the bat. So don't think that because you get an entry-level position just because it's in medical sales, that means you're going to get paid high off the bat. However, the ability to be full commission or have a base salary along with commission is something that a lot of people very much enjoy, and you can get salaries that are well above six figures if you're very good at it, you're hitting plan, and depending on the structure that you have. Most people that I've seen that start out in the industry start somewhere between 70 and 90, and then if you keep doing well, you'll be above 100 definitely within year or two. Now, another reason that I want to hit on, and this one is kind of cool, is because you get to build relationships with physicians, surgeons, advanced practitioners, and the like. Some of my best friends now are doctors or PAs or some people that I never would have had access to prior to this, but now because I've worked with them for so long, we've become personal friends with them. They're people that, if you have family members, sometimes you let that get injured or something like that, and you can rely on these people, text them, call them, and they would have your back when you have theirs. That's very cool. That's, something that you probably won't get if you weren't in this industry, because you just wouldn't be with the physicians enough to have that. Now, some people might view this as a con, but I definitely view it as a pro. It's challenging jobs. They're quota-based commission structure jobs, so you have to hit a certain number in order to stay employed long enough. If you're consistently below your number, they might let you go, etc. So it is challenging. You wake up every morning, you have to hit certain things, but it's very, very rewarding when you hit that. I would rather take a job that is very challenging any day of the week rather than one where it's very monotonous. You do the same thing over and over all the time. So it sort of gives your life that purpose rather than just checking in, being a drone for some larger company, and then just doing the same thing day in, day out, same pay, barely any raise. So this is one of the only jobs where you can literally change the amount of money you make overnight for the better by like $25,000. You can just give yourself like a $25,000 raise by getting a bunch of new business all in one day, which like that doesn't happen often with any other profession. So another thing I want to talk about is, a lot of these companies, especially bigger ones, have locations really everywhere. So if for some reason you had to relocate or just wanted to move to a new area within, your geographic realm, you probably could do that and then just join a team somewhere else within either like the United States, if that's where you're at. So you could just follow up with your manager, be like, hey, I'm looking to relocate here, and then maybe they'd be able to move you somewhere else if there was a need. So they are everywhere. They need these salespeople everywhere. So usually a bunch of the bigger companies will help you out as far as relocate. And most of these jobs, especially if you work for the bigger companies, have very, very good 401k matches, benefits, stock purchase plans, those kind of things. So you can sort of ingrain yourself in that company and take advantage of all of that these have to offer. And the other thing is just making friends within the industry. Some of my best buddies now, or besides the ones that I said that were doctors, are other reps that I've just met. Some of them are from competitive companies, but you still keep a good relationship with. They're people that I hang out personally with, outside of work, and they're still, great people. So it really just does engulf you sort of in the lifestyle in a sense. So if that's something that you want, that's something that this job definitely can provide. It is going to be long hours. It's going to be hard. It's going to be stressful. But in my opinion, I think that is very worth it. I don't think anything comes in life that isn't hard that's not, very well deserved to have a very, very good outcome at the end. So, like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to add me on LinkedIn, anything like that. The link is going to be down below. Peace.